Hello everyone, today we have Nissan Teana J31, first generation from 2003 to 2007 years. For those years, this original factory multimedia system was really great, but for nowadays it looks old. It doesn't have the functionality we need, because what do we need today? Navigation, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth handsfree, modern interface, USB for playing music and video, and a lot of more. So today we will install more modern Nissan Premium multimedia system, and we'll get the functionality we need today. So let's start. Well, the work is done. We installed Clarion 08 IT multimedia navigation system. So the radio works. Now we are in garage, so the signal is bad. Also settings, you can choose any language you want. There are 8 European languages. Also, our exclusive solution is the comfort menu. Here you can turn on, turn off auto interior illumination, light sensitivity, and anything else. We installed navigation. It works. Road. The system is like in Nissan cars till the 2020 year. Bluetooth handsfree and Bluetooth audio. So source. Also music box for 30 gigabytes. We connected. So as you can see, it works. Of course, the camera with dynamic lines works perfect. Also, we installed additional USB input for playing audio and videos in the glove box. It's reading. So if you like it and want to buy it or have any questions, contact us. How to contact us you can find in the description. Thanks for watching, stay safe, happy new year, and goodbye.